Good morning, P3 students. I do hope you are fine for this morning. Okay, this is the first video about our topic. Okay, now we are going to learn about environment from chapter 1. If you listen about environment, so what do you know about environment? Okay, environment is everything around us. It is included into the air, soil, or land, water, plants, and animals. So all of them it's included into environment. And then the second meanings of environment. Environment is the sum total of all surroundings of a living organism, including natural forces and other living things. It is same of uh, the air, soil, water, plants, and animals. All of the things that live in environment. There are also the human role on the environment. Okay, the human uh, has a role uh, on the environment. There are 4 human role of the environment. The first is planting trees or reforestation. Okay, many people cut the trees in the forest to open area, to open factory. But if you cut many trees in the forest, please do replant the trees, or we can call reforestation. Replant the trees after you cut many trees in the forest to open area. And then do not litter or dispose of factory waste into the river. Okay, all the chemical from the factory, please do not waste, do not throw into the river, because it can destroy all of the habitat in the river. And then do not burn waste excessively in order to maintain fresh air. Do not burn the garbage, because it can make our air become dirty because of the gas of your after you burn all the garbage, and then the gas will make our air become dirty. And then the last, reducing the use of private vehicles that exhaust fumes, and the use of fans such as air conditioner in every home. It means that of using of air conditioner at your home. And then about the transportation, the gas of transportation can make our air become dirty also, because all the gases trap into our earth and then destroy everything in our earth. And ecosystem. Maybe I think this is the first time you listen about the biomes and ecosystem. Okay, so what is the meaning of biomes and ecosystem? And what is the difference of biomes and ecosystem? Okay, ecosystem is an area where living organisms interact in a specific way with the local environment to survive. Okay, for example is fish ecosystem, ikan, or sea ecosystem, laut. Okay, so in one place, in one ecosystem, there are so many fishes. There are so many fishes. There is no lion, there is no tiger, because this place is only for the fish ecosystem ikan. Okay, and then the fish can live to survive their life. Okay, and then biomes. How about the biomes? Biomes it is same with ecosystem, but biomes is a large group of similar ecosystem. We can call, for the example is desert, savanna, flora, fauna, and rainforest. So biomes and ecosystem, uh, if we conclude biomes is a large group than ecosystem, but it is similar. What is environmental science? Environmental science studies the environment and how the earth works. Environmental scientists studies things like the atmosphere like ozone layer, lapisan ozone, the ocean, samudra, habitat of fish, habitat of lion, and then ecology. We can continue about the explanation of geology and ecology in next time. Okay, about the environmental issue. If we listen about issues, so it has relation about the problem. Environmental issue. Why our environmental get problem, disease, or it can cause of human activities. So many human and many people do the bad activities without thinking the effect of their activities. Also, there are three uh, issue or three problems that we can find in our environment. For example, is land pollution, water pollution, and air pollution. What the meaning of land pollution? Land pollution we can call soil pollution also. Okay, soil pollution or land pollution is caused when man-made chemical such as hydrocarbon get into the soil or land. Soil pollution can cause health risks like cancer. And plastic pollution is the accumulation of plastic product like mineral bottle in the environment that affect wildlife habitat or human. This is come from human activities. After they finish to drink their water, and then they are free to throw the garbage into the road without thinking. Uh, it can bring the biggest problem of their life. And then about the water pollution, we know that water is very important in our life. Okay, we can use water for taking bath, for washing our clothes, and everything. Okay, why our water become become destroy become has pollution. This is because of human activities also. They throw the harmful material into the waters, such as from the factories. It causes harms to organisms living in the water, and then it can destroy the habitat in the water. It can destroy the habitat of fish in the water because of the harmful material from the factories. The air pollution that we can feel fresh air because of our air is clean. If we feel, if we get the dirty air, so we can get disease. Okay, why? Why air can be polluted by many things? Okay, air can be polluted by various substances such as carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide, it comes from transportation. All the gases of transportation can trap into our air, and then air pollution may cause breathing problem. We can call cancer. And air pollution cause of global warming, pemanasan global, because all the gases trap into our earth and then destroy all or everything in our earth's surface, di permukaan bumi. And then this is make it difficult for the living organism to survive after air pollution. And then many people um, can get bad activities or bad results because of air pollution, because of the gases of transportation. And then there are many ways, there are many steps to overcome about this problem. The ways to be environmentally friendly, okay, there are 5 points to overcome the problem. The first is recycle. Okay, uh, if we listen about recycle, so we can reuse all the garbage into souvenir. If we are creative, we can create souvenir from the garbage, like a mineral bottle, and then use paper on both sides. If we do not need the paper, we cannot turn the paper. Please use the paper useful for the useful things, for the useful one. And then turn things off when not in use. After, if you do not use the lamp, please turn off the lamps after you go outside. Okay, and then get a bike and ride it responsible. Okay, if you use bicycle in your environment, so it's very friendly, to keep the cleanliness of your environment, because there is no gases from the bicycle. And then use energy saving like bulbs. Okay, this is for electricity. After you finish to use electricity like lamp, please switch off the lamp before you go outside. And then you have exercise. There are 5 exercises about the ways to be environmental friendly. And then the meaning environment, the kinds of pollution. This is very easy. And then human role. Then the meaning of land pollution. So all these exercise we have discussed in this slide. And please do this exercise by your understanding. I think that's all for this topic. Please review about this slide. Don't forget to review again and do your best.